Over here.
I was playing Smash the other day.
Oh my god, bro.
Smash Brothers. Pause.
Hell
No Diddy. I was playing Smash the other day and I randomly thought of an idea. How funny would it be to use Diddy as a fighter in Smash Brothers? And that's how this video came up. So I made the me creation for Diddy. Go ahead and pause the video to get the positions right, and you're welcome. Now you can use Diddy as a character in Smash Brothers Ultimate. You're welcome. And yeah, so go ahead and copy everything, pause the video if you have to. And ladies and gentlemen, before I leave, I want to say one thing.
Okay, ready?
There ain't a party like a Diddy party.
Certainly.